everyone, welcome to Alpha CQ. I know you guys are having a great time with Christmas and upcoming New Year. So let's see how market is performing by the year end, what happened today and what's going to happen for the days. So I have my team member who will take you through the chart. Let's start.
Hello everyone, let me take you through the charts. So what we are seeing on the screen is a Nifty 50 future chart. So we can see here we had a nice aggressive selling from last 3 days, and today we have seen support coming around 17,800 zones. So you might be wondering why we have marked this zone previously. So we consider this zone as struggle zone where buyers and sellers were fighting for their existence. So finally buyers won the game, and we can see there was a nice uptrend. So whenever we are coming back to the zones where previously buyers defended, we also expect them to defend this time. So we can see that there is some effort from buyers to defend this zone. So moving forward, it is very crucial for us to monitor this zone, that is around somewhere around 17800 zone. This low of today and Friday trading session will also be important. If at all buyers want to take control, it is they have to protect this low, and that we should not see prices coming back to this zone and accepting below that. So yeah, that is for the buyers. If we look into sellers perspective, where do sellers give up the game? So you can see that this is the zone where there was some distribution kind of thing, because we have a nice volume attachment along with the time. So this is the zone where sellers were active previously, somewhere around 18,800 zones. So on this time frame, like daily chart, we can see that the market can further trade between 18,800 and 17,800 zones, roughly some 1000 points. So yeah, that is the zone which we have to look for if you are trading in this time frame. So this was for the daily chart analysis. So let's jump into the market profile chart to look into some short term development which can help us to take some short term trades. Just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the market profile chart of Nifty 50 future. So yeah, again same thing. You can see that we have a poor low, which we call a matching low. We have not taken out one important development. What we need to observe today is we have not taken out previous day's low. You can see here we have not taken out previous day low. So what this indicates is there was some initial interest from sellers, but later on that interest did not continue. How can we say that? Because we have not seen, see, for any auction to continue or price to go further, it needs some strength from the higher time frame. So since we have not taken out the previous day low, we can say that sellers did not have any interest to take prices low. So you can see that we have a overlap between value areas. The zone where we traded yesterday is the same zone what we you can see, but we can see there was a lot of volatility within the zone. But if you look at the bigger picture, we are still trading within previous day zone. So we can see that we had a nice fall. Let me zoom out the chart. So you can see that there was a nice downtrend moving on in the Nifty 50 future chart, but now we are seeing overlapping between value areas, so which indicates that there is some opposite activity entering the market. So our call is that we have to stay cautious with our short positions. And does that mean that we have to go long? No, because the fall was very aggressive. We need to observe whether this will continue for very long term, or do we consider this as just a pullback, and sellers will take re-entry and again will come back. So again that will market will answer all those questions. So looking at the zones, what will be important going forward? Yeah, this one, this zone somewhere around 18,100 and 200 zone will be very important for buyers to defend. So if at all we come here and see acceptance above this zone, we can say that buyers from this zone are very strong, and now their intent is to take prices higher. So if at all we come here and fail, then we can say that this follow-up run was just a pullback and we are resuming the trend to downside. So again, on a short term, there are two references which we have to look for. One is 18,200 and this low. Yeah, that was for Nifty profile chart. So next, let us get into Bank Nifty chart. Yeah, just give me a minute. Let me erase all these things. Yeah, again in Bank Nifty also we can see that there was a strong downside move from December first week or so. But again, you can see that this is the zone. You see that prices coming to 41,500 zone and taking support. Yeah, why it is important? Because this is the zone where buyers and sellers struggled previously, and after struggle there was nice attempt from buyers to take prices higher. So whenever prices coming back again, we expect buyers to defend this zone. So we are seeing some defending from buyers here. So it is very important for buyers to defend this zone to continue the trend to upside. So as traders on daily time frame, we have to be very cautious when prices near this kind of bigger time frame zones. So 41,500 will be very crucial going forward. If at all we see prices accepting below this 41,500 zones, then the trend might change, and also we might go towards this zone, which is somewhere around 4,500 zone. So this will be very important going forward. So just keep a mark on these zones like 41,500. This might help you in taking decisions for trading. So when if we look at the profile charts of Bank Nifty, yeah, again you can see here we had nice falling market in Bank Nifty as well. But today there was some key development which we have to observe. So one thing is we opened within previous day zone. Yeah, we opened within previous day zone. But again, one key note to observe here is we have not taken out previous day's low, which will initially tell us that there is no interest from sellers to take prices low. This was the first sign of caution where shorts need to get out of their positions, and we also had one IB Rex to upside. So look, compared to Nifty, we can see that there was more strength in Bank Nifty in intraday. We covered quite a lot price today actually. So going forward, will this continue? Will this trend continue? Yeah, we have to wait for markets to tell us that. So yeah, again, traders should look for this low around 41,600. Same that is zone on the daily chart as well as on the profile chart. So this will be very crucial. If at all we see acceptance above previous day high tomorrow and start accepting and make higher highs, then we can say that buyers from this zone are very strong and they can target highs around, yeah, this swing highs somewhere around 43,700 and 44,000. So other probabilities what we can say is we can open up higher, we fail to find new business and come back to previous day zone. This will be first sign of caution for buyers. Like the people who have bought today may not be from the very high time frame. So this failed auction above previous day high can give some direction to the trend. And the third probability what we can expect is open within previous day zone itself and start make sideways trade and just complete this expiry within this range. So these are the possibilities what we can expect from market for this week. So zones to look for, one is this zone which is low 41,600. On the higher side, yeah, this high should be important as well as this high. Complete. Let me mark that. Yeah, this zone, if we start accepting within this zone and continue making higher highs, then this swing highs will be targeted around 43,700 or 800 zones. Yeah, that was from the profile charts. Hope this made some sense, and information shared here will have some importance to your analysis. Thank you.